Samuel Wright always thought English was difficult. Long grammar rules confused him, and speaking made him nervous. Even though he understood simple sentences, he avoided using English in daily life. One day, Samuel decided to try something easy. He stopped worrying about perfect grammar and focused on simple practice. Every morning, he spoke 5 easy English sentences about his day. He talked about what he would do, what he liked, and how he felt. Samuel also started reading short English stories aloud. He listened to simple English videos and repeated the lines slowly. At first, his English was broken, and his pronunciation was weak. But he did not stop. Day by day, Samuel felt more comfortable. He stopped translating every word in his mind. English started to feel natural instead of scary. After a few weeks, Samuel spoke English with a new friend. The conversation was simple, but it was smooth. He smiled because he could express his thoughts. Samuel learned an important lesson. Easy daily practice is the fastest way to improve English.